Once the deployment completes, click on Go to Resource. Click on Add a Trigger. Here, type HTTP. And when an HTTP request is received, click on it. Now we write here what we will be getting in the mail. Like for example, if we want the pipeline name, pipeline status, if it succeeds or fails, or the time when the pipeline succeeded or failed. Okay, so it's it will be some code here, and it will be type object properties. Now here we will write the things we will be getting in the mail. Pipeline name, type string, and then similarly status, type string, id. Let's just copy paste it, and then finally the time. Now click on this plus icon and click on add an action, and we will be getting an email. So write here Gmail and send email. Connection name, you can name anything here, but I will keep it as it is. And authentication will be used default shared application, and sign in. Select your account and continue. Continue. Now write here your email, where you will be getting notification email if pipeline succeeds or fails. And for the advanced parameters, we will get subject and body. Subject will be pipeline run report. Body will be pipeline details. Now here we will be getting pipeline name, pipeline status, ID, and time. Click on this icon here, and you can see here is the pipeline name which we gave in the HTTP request, and for the status, and ID will be ID, and time will be time. And you can also see the code view here. All right, so now save it, and when you save it, you will get HTTP URL here, so copy it. Okay, now go back to the data factory. Now search here web activity. Okay, now this web activity name will be success, and for the URL will be this. Method will be post, and body, click on add dynamic content. Here we will give the logic app body details, pipeline name, Here will be at the rate and then pipeline dot pipeline. Okay, and comma, and there will be status, and status will be succeeded, because this activity is when the pipeline succeeds. And then there will be run ID and pipeline dot run ID. Yes, and finally there is time, and time will be at the rate UTC now. Okay, this is done now. Okay, and now web activity, and this one for when the pipeline fails. Okay, so let's copy this and paste it in here, and the method will be post, and body will be similar, just what will change is just the status will change. And here, okay, so instead of status succeeded, there will be failed. Now how it will work out is that when the pipeline is success, then it will be success activity, and when pipeline fails, fail web activity. Now logic graph is set up, it's incorporated into pipeline 2. Now the next thing we will do is we will add a monitor, Azure monitor, in the next part.